Precision and hygiene come together in IFM Efector's SMF Sanitary Magnetic Flow Meter series, engineered for the toughest food and beverage environments. In this RS product spotlight, you'll learn how it's designed to make flow measurement smarter, faster, and more reliable. The SMF is a 3A approved sanitary magnetic flow meter designed for precise measurement of conductive liquids in food, beverage, and personal care products. It combines advanced technologies with easy installation and maintenance, making it ideal for modern hygienic processes. So what should you expect from the SMF series? 3A sanitary design, perfect for dairy and other hygienic applications. Integrated measurements with flow rate, total volume, conductivity, and temperatures in one device. Fast commissioning with simple M12 wiring and programming. IO-link capabilities, giving you advanced diagnostic and easy integration into digital systems. High temperature capabilities with continuous operations of up to 150 Celsius, ideal for CIP and SIP processes. IP69K protection to withstand high pressure washdowns. Extreme temperature, pressure, vibration, and condensation testing to ensure accurate measurements and longevity in harsh food and beverage environments. Capacitive push buttons, immune to false triggers in wet environments, allowing for quick and deliberate programming. And reduction of weight in the display housing for high vibration installations. The SMF can come with a large, easy-to-read 3.5-inch display that shows all key parameters at a glance and improves operator experience. Flow rates can range from 5 liters per minute to 10,000 liters per minute and can fit line sizes of 1.5 inches to 6 inches. Accessories include sealing rings and process adapters for more flexibility. The SMF was developed for hygienic processes in food and beverage production, including dairy, brewing, wine, and soft drinks. It's also ideal for personal care manufacturing in clean-in-place or CIP systems, where accuracy, hygiene, and reliability are critical. With the SMF, you get reduction downtime with its quick installation and easy maintenance, improved process control with accurate flow, temperature, and conductivity all in one device, enhanced hygiene compliance such as 3A approval and IP69K ratings for sanitary environments, and gives you a future-ready solution with its IO-link for smart factory integration. When precision, hygiene, and reliability matters, the IFM SMF Sanitary Magnetic Flow Meter delivers. Want to learn more? Reach out to IFM Efector or RS Engineering Support Group to assist you. Visit our RS site in the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more RS product spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.